Saving a small amount soon builds up to a large amount.
A saving group is a group of people that agree together on the basis of trust to put money together.
That can be once a week or once a month to save money into a joint savings box like this one.
With the objective of saving money for their personal projects, entrepreneurial projects, family issues, or whatever that arises in their lives.
The minimum should be 5 members, the maximum 12.
And the group helps them to actually do that. So the group is kind of a motivating factor for saving. But at the same time, it's also a kind of a security network for financial matters and other potential challenges in life.
Ik doe mee aan de spaarkring omdat ik het leuk vind om te sparen. Ik vind het ook leuk, gezellig bijeenkomen met andere mensen.
It's really nice to come along with my colleagues and we have good time together. Sometimes if you want to save by yourself, you find it difficult because you will keep it in your house, then oh, I want to buy this, then you go back and take it. But if I do it with people that I trust and I believe, I think I can save.
You know, you save for what you really want to accomplish in life, and also to buy certain stuff, to go certain places, you all have to save.
È una cosa che mi interessava e in modo particolare, anche per il risparmio, ma in particolare per la socializzazione con le altre persone.
I decided to participate because I have my own business idea and I want to understand and I want to be part of these saving groups.
Poupar no banco e poupar no grupo é diferente. No banco, qualquer coisa pode acontecer e aquele dinheiro pode ir. Enquanto que no grupo, segura-se, está seguro até chegar ao fim de receber o dinheiro.
Lo vi bien, tanto en el funcionamiento como en la idea, y me apunté.